First of all, select the picture. Then open it in the Illustrator. Adjust it by pressing Shift plus Alt. Now we are going to lock the picture by pressing Ctrl plus 2. After that, go to the layer. If you don't find layer options, then go to the window and there you will find layer option. Now we are going to lock the picture by pressing Ctrl plus 2. After that, create a new layer where we are going to start our illustration. Then go to the toolbar. Now select the pen tool. Then zoom the picture by pressing Alt plus scrolling the mouse wheel from where you are going to start using pen tool. And then off the fill color and on the stroke color. After that, just follow the real shape by using the pen tool in the same way you are seeing in the video. Just follow the outlines of the girl's hair. Now on the fill color in black dot and off the stroke color. Now you can see the hair is already ready. For seeing the hair you have to off the eye icon in the layer of the girl's picture. In this way we can make a hair for any character we want to made from real picture. That's all for today. See you in the next video where we learn to create the face of the girl.